Well, it is an extremely painful situation to actually have a look at the coin market. Especially, I did not expect the coin market to go below 300 billion. Right now, it's about 269 billion, below 300. It's extremely painful to have a look at the coin market, but then there are some good hopes, good news coming out. So one of the founder and the CEO of the one of the recently app, Abra app, he is saying that institutional investors are going to put money into cryptocurrency this year because they will see it as a potential, and also there will be a lot of clarity from the regulations like SEC. Now this does remind me kind of what happened in the month of December last year. It was the CME group futures trading, it was the CBOE group futures trading, which actually took the price to 19,000, if you remember that correctly. Something like that. Is that possible? Quite possible. What do you think? What do you think institutional money are going to come into cryptocurrency this year? Let me know. Also, we're going to talk about some of the news why the cryptocurrency market has dropped down. Some of the news from internet email marketing provider like Mailchimp, and also we're going to talk about some Ripple doing some great stuff there, donating some money out of their huge share as well. So welcome back to Crypto Conversation. If you're new, consider subscribing. And also, this is not a financial or investment advice, just my personal opinion. Let's start with the news from the CEO of the American Express backed startup. I'm not really sure if the Abra is actually backed by American Express but what I do know is that if you're a US resident and if you are holding an American Express card, this will allow you to buy cryptocurrencies, to shop cryptocurrencies from Abra app. But this is what he has to say. He says that there is absolutely zero investment from the institutional right now. The big investors are not there right now, and once the floodgates are opened, they are open. In his opinion, the institutional investors are going to come into crypto coin market big time. The institutional interest is now starting to grow regardless of the Google trends, right? Of course, this guy is from the space. He's also been into traditional investments as well. Now he started and founded Abra. Of course, this guy is talking from the experience. Maybe he has seen something big coming, and this is the opinion of most people also, that the institutional investors are going to come into the space this year. And why would they not come? I mean, this is the new innovation. So what is stopping them from not coming? We all already see how banks are getting scammy day by day. So of course, every big giant want to be a part of the new technology. We just heard about the New York hotel which is going to tokenize. We also heard about yesterday's news of Oyo Room issuing Oyo coin, Oyo smart coin. Of course, a lot of people say that it might be an April Fool, but I'm saying these kind of plans are already there. So big companies are already getting into cryptocurrency, and that will eventually take the price to the next level. Also, some of the platforms like EOS and others are also in the building up. They are launching their mainnet, like Tron is launching their mainnet, EOS is launching their mainnet. So these applications will also be built. So in my opinion, yes, I think bull run is coming. Let me know what you think about that. So in terms of resistance, let's talk about what are the banks doing. So one of the bank, once again, the Canadian multinational bank BMO has blocked cryptocurrency transactions, just like what SDFC Bank did here in India. It's quite natural to see that resistance from the bank. Banks are threatened. And I actually tweeted today that, and this was the same, like on this here also, it says the same thing, that like taxi drivers attacking Uber or candle makers trying to block out the sun, another bank has taken a stand against Bitcoin. BMO is apparently trying to protect its clients from themselves by taking away the freedom to decide what to do with their own money. And this is precisely why you need blockchain technology. This is precisely why you need Bitcoin technology. So once tomorrow, say the bank tells you this is something that you can do and this is what you cannot do, you did, oh, this is why I need blockchain. If some of the governments like Chinese government decided that, okay, you cannot participate in this beautiful innovation, well, precisely this is why I need blockchain, because nobody decides for me, I decide for myself. I mean, no one really have rights on this planet Earth to stop any human, any individual from being a part of the technological innovations, you know. And blockchain is a new technological innovation. So let me know your opinion. What do you think about these actions from the banks and from the government? Do you think they're doing a good job? Are they going against human right? This is very funny that happened recently on the YouTube channel Suppo Man. So Suppo Man is, of course, I respect this guy. He has tons of information on all the cryptocurrencies, shares his expert knowledge on what is this project about and where does the future like. But then he was talking about a coin called Matrix, and which is tokenized as MAN. And of course there is another coin called Matrix MTX, and what happened is that people actually took it for the Matrix and people will started buying Matrix coin. Now again, I will put my comments on this. Now this is something that I wouldn't do, right? So I wouldn't buy anything under anyone's influence, right? When it comes to cryptocurrencies, you definitely have to do your own research, and not just because somebody spoke about it and then you will buy into, then he spoke about it, maybe it's good, right? Well, again, yes, if you're going to get into this from the trading point of view, because just because Suppo Man spoke about it, the price is going to go up, so let's make some profit, that might work, right? But in the long run, the price is going to come back to its original position, because obviously, because a lot of people actually bought just because somebody spoke about it, right? Definitely share your opinion. What do you think about this mistake here? It does teach us a lot, and it also tells us that what exactly people are doing into cryptocurrency. They are just following the herd mentality. So I may be wrong, but share your opinion. What do you think about that? Now the next news is about Bitfinex. So after Binance is moving to Malta, Bitfinex is moving to Switzerland for the operations. Well, one of the precise reason would be because they are tired and sick of the US regulations there. The Ripple is doing some wonderful job. So Ripple is going to donate some money. So Ripple gives away the largest donation of cryptocurrency, largest, okay, to support public schools, which is great. So we are happy to give back to teachers like Kinder Rocks and all their students across the country. Help us build on this momentum up by donating to products. So there, Ripple trying to earn some goodwill by doing some good cause. So which is definitely appreciated by Ripple, from Ripple. Bank of England is trying to test blockchain technology for the new payment system. So banks are trying everything possible to compete with the cryptocurrencies, and still they want to hate all the other blockchain related cryptocurrencies. I mean, it's the same bank, the Canadian, it's not the same bank, but it's the same industry. Canadian bank is trying to stop cryptocurrency which are built on blockchain technology, and on the other hand, some banks are adopting blockchain technology. So there's so much of contrary things happening out there. Yeah, this is about American Express card. So anyway, guys, let me know what do you think about this news today. Do you think the bull run is coming? Do you think the institutional investors are coming this year? Do you think they are going to put in their money? Do you think the Wall Street investors are coming into cryptocurrency? Do you think the next bull run is soon? Let me know your opinion in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like, share, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you next time. Oh,